All right. Well, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. I want to first of all say to you, congratulations. I want to congratulate you because you are in the right place at the right time with the right information, with the right individual to deliver the information to change your life financially for generations to come. And so before I go any further, let me go ahead and properly introduce myself. My name is Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach. I have been now for over 30 years. I'm also the CEO and founder, along with my beautiful wife and business partner, Mrs. Levita Pyers, of a tremendous one-of-a-kind tax educational platform called the Academy of Financial Education. Now, remember what I said, financial education, not financial advice. And so, guys, we've been teaching the masses for over 30 years, combined with my wife over 17 years, that the more you know, the less you legally, ethically owe in taxes. And we've been teaching that information directly from our friends over at the IRS. Yes, look, in 1994, when I received that audit letter, I didn't see the IRS as being my friend. But today I can tell you, they have definitely changed my life in a positive way. And we're sharing that information utilizing a platform unlike any other system out there called the Academy of Financial Education. Now, we don't just teach tax information. Guys, we teach all sorts of financial education. I teach about 401k plans, the good and the bad. I teach about how to be able to invest in stocks and why you might want to invest some of your money outside of the 401k or IRA arena, okay? But we're not here to talk about that today, guys. I want to talk about the very subject that is in the news that many of you are frightened of right now that could change your life. And it's not going anywhere. Well, you guessed it, it's cryptocurrency. I want to read this article by Fortune. And here's what it says. It says Goldman Sachs, first over-the-counter crypto trade, shows how digital currency went from reject to hottest asset class on Wall Street. I got to read that really slow. Goldman Sachs, first over-the-counter crypto trade, shows how digital currencies went from reject to hottest asset class on Wall Street. Did you guys hear what I just said? If you are sleeping on cryptocurrency, you are committing financial suicide, and your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren will look at that picture on the mantle and ask you, why? Okay, I'm telling you. Okay, let's read this again. On Monday, Goldman Sachs, one of the biggest banks, executed an over-the-counter crypto transaction, a first for a major U.S. bank. According to the press release by Galaxy Holding Digital, the crypto financial service firm that facilitated this trade. The bank traded a non-deliverable Bitcoin option, which is a derivative tied to the price of Bitcoin that pays out in cash instead of the underlying cryptocurrency. Galaxy Holding press release did not specify the size of the trade or if it was on behalf of a client or for the bank itself. It doesn't matter. All that matters is we have got to get informed. The rules of money has changed. You know, it's the same thing that happened when checks came out. People said, oh, I'm not using no checks, I'm sticking with cash, right? And then credit cards came out and debit cards came out. And people said, oh, there's no way that I'm going to have my money tied to that plastic card. And now we can't even close our wallets, right? How about this one? You know, I'm never going to order anything online. Why would I order anything online when I can go down to the store and get it, right? And now Amazon, okay? Amazon, one of the wealthiest, in fact, the wealthiest company on planet Earth, okay? And so we've got to move with the times. Now, we all currently know that we are in a financial disaster when it comes to inflation. So I want to share some information with you directly from the Federal Reserve, the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve, that released an article that you will never see other than probably on this particular show right here, okay? It was released on March the 16th, 2022. Federal Reserve issues FOMC statement. And here's what they said. And let me see if I can blow this up again so you guys can read along with me. And here's what it says. Indicators of economic activity and employment have continued to strengthen. Job gains have been strong in recent months, and the unemployment rate has declined substantially. Inflation remains elevated. I want you to remember this one right here. Inflation remains elevated. That's the loss of purchasing power of your dollars that you're currently trading your time for and are the ones that you have saved, okay? It says reflecting supply and demand imbalances related to the pandemic, higher energy prices, and broader prices pressure, okay? It says the invasion of Ukraine by Russian is, watch this, I want you to listen to this excuse. I want you to listen to them, how they're going to try to blame Russia for the problem. It says the invasion of Ukraine by Russia is causing tremendous human and economic hardship. I want to highlight that, and I want to read it for you nice and slow. The invasion of Ukraine by Russia is causing tremendous human and economic hardship. And I'm going to rest on the last part of this paragraph. The implications for the U.S. economy are highly uncertain, but in the near term, the invasion and related events are likely to create additional upward pressure on inflation and weigh on economic activities. Ladies and gentlemen, what the Federal Reserve is telling you is that your money is on pace to continue to lose value, that you got to come up with a plan B. You got to figure out how you and your family are going to be able to get your money to start growing faster than you can work for, because if you don't, you're going to find yourself in a financial catastrophic situation that you may not be able to come out of, that our children may not be able to come out of. And I'm telling you guys, I'm excited about being able to share this information. And so what I want to talk to you guys today about is this. You've got to get educated on cryptocurrency. If the banks are in cryptocurrency, ought not you be in cryptocurrency? See, the problem is we start to do things that as masses, we always come in last. And when you come in last, you come in last. I hope you got what I just said, right? And so I wanted to know, what type of banks are out there offering cryptocurrency? And here was a site right here allowing you to put cryptocurrency in a government-controlled IRA. Wow. And so as you scroll down this page, all you see is banks that are offering cryptocurrency. And so let me show you a list of some of these banks that are actually in cryptocurrency. So I said major banks offering cryptocurrency. Here's a list: JP Morgan Chase, BNY, Deutsche Bank, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Capital One, UBS, Bank of America, Credit Suisse, and Barclays. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're not getting informed about cryptocurrency, you're going to be left behind, okay? No ifs, buts, and ands about it. You got to get informed. You got to get in front of this wave. Look, I'm going to share some information with you right now over the course of the next few short minutes as I get ready to wrap this up that is going to blow your socks off, okay? And so here's a site called Coinmarketcap. Coinmarketcap tracks almost all of the cryptocurrency and their performances, okay? I want to just look at right here the last 7 days. Let me see if I can expand this a little bit. The last 7 days, I want you to look at the returns, okay? Now, again, this is not to be taken as financial advice. This is to be taken as educational information only. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't hold a Series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Series 6, Series 700. I don't own any financial licenses at all, okay? This is for educational purposes only, and I hope you pick up what I just put down, okay? The last 7 days, Bitcoin, 6%. Ethereum, 5.19%, okay? And I'm just going to go down the page and you guys can see these, okay? How about this one? Cardano, 29.60% in growth of their money. So while the Federal Reserve is saying inflation is on the rise and it's not going anywhere, my question is, what is your money doing for you? See, there's only so many hours that you can work, and you don't have any control whether or not you can get overtime, okay? I'm going to show you one on this page right now that'll blow your mind. How about this one? Ethereum Classic, 70.8% in 7 days, okay? I'm not saying that this is going to happen all the time, but here's what I want. Here's the question for you, okay? Let me bring it down a little bit, because see, I get excited when I can teach people how to fish. Now, I'm not a cryptocurrency expert, okay? I don't teach cryptocurrency, but I know the place to go to get the information, okay? Because what's really going on, here's another 41%, 11%, 14%, right? Imagine if you just had your money sitting in a place that your money could grow at these rates. You know, honestly, these are yearly rates happening in days. These are yearly rates happening in days. Your financial advisor has never told you to expect a 14.2% increase on your investment account in 7 days, right? In fact, I went over to Google and I wanted to know the top 7 savings accounts, what your money could earn inside of those accounts. And let's take a look, okay? So here's My Bank Direct. Let's take a look at this rate. If you got into this bank right now, your rate would be 0.7%. Let's take a look at the second one. Second one is Lending Club. Let's see the rate there. If you put your money in here, it's 0.65%. Let's take a look at the third one. Savings. Is it really savings or is it losing? Inflation is 7%, and they're going to give you a whopping 0.5%, and you have to leave your money in the bank for the entire year. Let's take a look at this one. Surely Capital One, what's in your wallet is going to give you more than that, right? Well, Capital One, you can see right here, 0.4% APY on your money. And let's go down the list and look at some more. Maybe Wells Fargo. Whoa, Wells Fargo, 0.1. Bank of America. Really? You guys are putting your money in Bank of America for 0.1%? U.S. Bank, 0.1%. Have I made a case for why you should take a serious look at cryptocurrency? Well, if I haven't, I want to share with you guys something that is going to knock your socks off. In fact, I was going to give you an illustration of 2. I'm just going to give you an illustration of 1. So here's a list of 10 cryptocurrency coins that if you had just invested $200 on January 1st, 2021, and you held on to it to December 30th, 2021, 12 months, these would be your results. Sandbox, 16,265%. Anxi, I believe I pronounced that right, 16,159%. Polygon-Matic, 14,996%. Terra Luna, 13,807%. Fanta, 13,000%. Solana, 9,000%. Decentral Mana, 3,943%. Dogecoin, okay, it was created out of fun. It was created as a joke. 2,943% return on a $200 investment. That would have profited you if you'd have held on to it from January 1st to December the 30th, $5,886, okay? Avalanche, 2,786%. 2,786% in 12 months. And Shiba Luna, okay, another coin that was created really out of fun, 1,607%, a $200 investment in January 2021, held on to December 30th, 2021, would have produced a profit of $3,214. How many of those $200 would you have wanted to put in cryptocurrency? Now, I know what you're saying. I don't know anything about cryptocurrency. I know. I didn't either. I didn't know nothing about cryptocurrency. In fact, the fact that I got in late was because I didn't know anything about cryptocurrency. Yes, there were videos on YouTube and there was this guru over here, but there was no real platform to offer a variety of training in such a simplistic way that even a 90-year-old grandmother could learn how to safely invest their money in cryptocurrency, because your financial advisor is not going to do it. Okay? Your financial advisor is not going to do it. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to you an amazing platform that I found called Crypto U. Guys, I'm telling you right now, when you get this information, some of you are going to be sending me Christmas presents in April, okay? You're going to be sending me Christmas presents in April, Christmas presents in May. Crypto U offers the only platform, again, where you're going to be able to learn how to invest in cryptocurrency in a most simplistic manner, and you can learn at your own pace, okay? So I can't share you any of the content in here because this is a paid service and it is truly worth it. And remember I told you we're going to go back to the IRS website? Well, for those of you that follow the information from this point on, okay, I'm going to share with you how to get the IRS to pick up about 40% of the cost of your cryptocurrency education. Let me say that for the guy way in the back of the room. I'm going to share with you, if you follow the instructions and you take a serious look at this information that I know will change your life, I'm going to show you how the IRS will pick up about 40% of the cost of your cryptocurrency education. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to blow your socks off. And so here's what you're going to get. You're going to get welcome, okay? And there's going to be a video there. And then you're going to get educated. Look at this. Under education, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And yeah, we talk about things like buying crypto wallets, investing, trading, tracking. Yep. And we got to talk about the taxes, right? And guys, underneath all of these, as you can see, there's 1 of 9 videos in this one. But there's 1 of 10 videos just under buying crypto. When we talk about trading, there's 1 of 10 videos up under there, okay? We haven't even talked about the amazing part, guys, that you're going to be able to learn even about silver and gold. Have you seen what silver and gold is doing? Do you understand that silver and gold is a protection of the purchasing power of your money? Well, there's 7 videos to share with you that. You're going to learn things like hardware wallets. I didn't know what a hardware wallet was. I was keeping my money on the exchange and somebody came and took my cryptocurrency because I didn't have access to a training like this, guys. You're going to learn about MetaMask, KuCoin, Binance Coin. Some of you are saying, what coin? Yeah, exactly. How, most people think that cryptocurrency is just Bitcoin and Ethereum when there are thousands of other coins out there that could 10x your money that you don't even know about. We just had a new release of a training called Moonshot. I'm not even going to click on this, okay? All I'm going to tell you is that this one training, if everything else inside of Crypto U is gone, this one training right here gives you access to cryptocurrencies within a matter of hours or even the same day that they hit the exchange. Let me give you an example. When do you think would have been the best time to get into Bitcoin? Well, the best time to get into Bitcoin is when Bitcoin initially came out, but we didn't know about it, right? Nobody knew about it, right? And so what do you think the best time to had gotten into Ethereum? Okay, what was the best time to get into Ethereum? Well, let me share a story with you guys as I get ready to wrap this up. And so you can see right now, Ethereum sitting at $3,109. But let me show you this chart, and I'm going to go all time, okay? And I'm going to go right down here to 2016, okay? Right down here to 2016, when you could have got Ethereum for $7.96. Okay, 2016. How about 2018? You could have got Ethereum for $162, okay? 2019, you could have got Ethereum for $133. I had the opportunity, in fact, I'm shamelessly going to say it. I purchased Ethereum, okay, without any education about Ethereum. I purchased Ethereum right about here, about $380, $390, okay? I had 12 Ethereums that I had purchased for $390, and I sold them. I sold them because they went up to $500 and they started to come down, and they were around $400 and something dollars, and I sold them. You know why I sold them? Because I didn't have the education. I didn't have the education to know what I needed to look for to know that this just wasn't a money grab. And so from $380 to right now today, $3,110, man, that makes me sick to even tell that story. But that's why I want to share with you, Crypto You. Guys, this is not a sale. This is a blessing, okay? This is something that you can go and take a look at. And if you see value in it, once you get started, I'm going to contact you because I'm going to have your information, and I'm going to show you how the IRS is going to pick up to 40% of your costs. And you're not going to believe how inexpensive it is for you to have access to a platform that an 80-year-old lady can learn how to get involved in crypto and limit her risk of making costly mistakes like many of us has made because we didn't have this type of training. And so with that being said, what I want you to do is I want you to go to the website that is on the page right now and are inside of the description of this video. And you're going to be able to watch a free presentation. You're going to be able to watch exactly what information you need to know, information you do not know, and how you can prosper off of cryptocurrency. But more importantly, how you can take advantage of learning the right way to protect your cryptocurrency, how to invest in it, what to invest in, when to be able to get into coins that many people miss. And before they find out about it, millionaires had already been made. And guys, you can go to the link on the screen right now, or you can go to the link inside of the description. And with that being said, Mark Pryor's home-based business tax coach and wealth coach, CEO and founder, along with my beautiful wife and business partner of the Academy of Financial Education, where we educate the masses. Okay, the more you know, the less you legally, ethically owe in taxes. We believe you should pay every dime you owe and not a dime more. And guys, again, we don't just teach taxes. If you guys want to learn about our next upcoming tax training, you want to go to our website, again, www.theacademy of Financial Education. Click on upcoming webinar trainings and just fill out this form right here, and you'll be added to our list. We don't spam you. We don't solicit, you with products and things like that. We just want to make sure that we can notify you the next time that we get ready to change lives by educating the masses off the plantation of taxation, the protection of inflation, and the plantation being solely dependent on big corporations, because you may have a good job, but you don't have job security. And with that being said, we'll see you not at the top. We'll see you on the other side of money, which is where freedom resides.